Welcome back to Civil Builders. In today's video, we'll learn how to create floor and roof inside Revit. So first, navigate to the floor plan. And then head over to Architecture tab and click on this floor. From the drop down, choose this architecture floor and select the type of the floor from this drop down. And then choose the tools from the drop panels to sketch its boundary. For instance, I use this rectangular option and click inside my drawing area, drag and click again to define its boundary. And then click on this check mark to complete the floor placement. Now let's start creating roof. First, navigate to the first floor plan and then head over to the Architecture tab and click on this roof. And from this drop down, choose the first option because it allows us to create the boundary on the floor plan. Select the type of the floor and then draw the boundary from this draw panel. Choose the tools that fits your need. We can also provide an offset and simply click in the drawing area to define its boundary. And then click on this check mark to complete its placement. From the properties panel, we can change its type, and we can also modify its boundary from this edit footprint. We can change its shape by using the tools from this draw panel. And from this edit boundary, we can also change the slope. Simply click on the line and type a new slope value. To select all the lines at once, press Tab button and give a new slope. And press Finish. To extend your wall up to the roof, select your wall and choose Attach Top Base option, and now click on your roof. Your wall will automatically extend it up to the roof. We can convert this roof into a flat surface from this Edit Boundary option. Go to the floor plan, select all of your lines and change its slopes to 0 and click Finish. Now you see that your roof is converted into a flat surface. We can elevate our surface by selecting the surface and adding a point at the center. Now we need to define its height. If I increase our height, then it goes upward. Similarly, if we decrease the height, it will go downward. We can change the material from the properties panel. Select this edit type option and again click on this edit, and from this button choose the material and click OK and OK. Now we have changed our material. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this session. Make sure to like, share and subscribe Civil Builders. See you in the next video.